Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, whenever and wherever you're watching this video from. Today we are going to revise chemistry. Someone requested me to answer 2019 question B8, B9 question B9 under organic chemistry. So we're going to answer 2019 question B9, which is section B, question 9. Okay, let's go to the question. So the first question says nylon and terylene are polymers. Nylon and terylene are polymers. So question A, what is meant by the term polymer? Right, so this is question B9A. So what is meant by a polymer? So you can say a polymer is a giant molecule that is formed when two or more monomers join. Okay, two or more monomers join. Now, just an additional information to this, a polymer is also known as a macromolecule. From the word macro means large molecules. So this one is a giant molecule that is formed when two or more monomers join. Okay, two or more monomers join. Now the process by which these monomers join together to form a polymer is called the polymerization. Okay, so let's go to the second question. So the second question is saying, apart from being polymers, give one similarity between nylon and terylene. Okay, number one, the first similarity is the one they've given us, that they are polymers. Okay, so the second one is that they are man-made polymers. All right, they are man-made polymers. So these are man-made polymers. Another similarity you can add, but don't add in the exam, just write one. I'm just saying for the sake of knowing a lot of similarities between the two. So another one is that they are both condensation polymers. Condensation polymers. Okay. See, let's go to the next question. Question C1. So C1 is saying, which of the two polymers is a polyester? Which of the two polymers is a polyester? Now, a nylon is a polyamide. Then a terylene is a polyester. So here we're going to say terylene. The answer is terylene. And the second question here is saying, hence, draw the structure of the polymer showing two repeating units and encircle any ester link on the chain. All right. Now, what you need to know is that before you do anything, you need to know the monomers. All right, the monomers. Now, the monomers for a polyester, um, monomers, the monomers for a polyester, we have a diol, and a diol has a chemical formula. I mean, its chemical structure is like this, like a rectangle here. And you have oxygen, you have hydrogen here, same this side, oxygen, then hydrogen. This is a diol. And then you also have a dicarboxylic acid. Okay, a dicarboxylic acid. So the structure of a dicarboxylic acid is simple. You have a rectangle here as well. Okay, then you also have here you have carbon, then you have double bond where you have oxygen, then this side you have hydroxyl. Okay, same as here, you have carbon, double bond, oxygen, single bond here, you have hydroxyl, which is like this. Now, one of the two should be shaded to differentiate the two when you draw the structure of a terylene. So let me just shade this one to show repeating units. Okay, so what you do, since when you combine the two monomers, you're going to have one giant molecule of terylene with no repeating units. And if you combine these four of these, you have two repeating units. So let me just draw this like this. Let me start with the diol, which is like this. Okay, then just draw this next to this. We're going to say H O C double bond. Let me draw it nicely. Okay, carbon double bond like this. This side you have oxygen, which is hydroxyl. Then this is one unit. If you want to have another repeating unit, what you need to do is to draw another diol and dicarboxylic acid. So it will be like this. You repeat like this. Then yes, you draw the dicarboxylic acid, carbon double bond. Now take note that this double bond here can either be up or down. There is no problem. This one should be shaded. Then you have carbon, oxygen, yeah, then hydrogen. So remember, when you're combining or condensing these, that is called condensation polymer. When you're condensing this, we are removing water. So this is what we do. When you look at this, these two, like this oxygen, and the two hydrogen will combine to form water. Even here, so one of the oxygens is here. So it doesn't matter whether either this one or this one. This will form water. This also will form water. Now, what we're going to do, be careful here, because this HO will also form water with one of the hydrogens here, the last hydrogen here will also form water. Okay, let me just clear space so that I show you the final result. Okay, so you draw what is remaining. So here you start with this, so it will be like this, showing that other molecules can still attach to it, like this. This is the final result. Oxygen, then it's just attached to carbon there, then double bond, oxygen, okay, like this, and this one is shaded. Then you do the same here. There's carbon, double bond, oxygen, attach this one like this. Next, carbon, you have oxygen, you have oxygen here. Okay, oxygen, you want to attach this one to this one. Okay, so you have oxygen, then carbon, double bond, oxygen, this one is shaded. Then what do you have? You have carbon, oxygen, oxygen. Okay, you should leave it like this. This is a bond showing that other compounds can still get attached to it. Now, this is a structure of terylene. Okay, a structure of terylene. Now, what is the repeating unit? Hence, so from here you start. This is not shaded, not shaded. This is now repeating, and shaded. So we have two repeating units. One, two. According to the question, you have two repeating units. Then we are told to encircle any Easter link on the chain. Okay, so this is an Easter link. This is also an Easter link. Is excuse me, Easter link. This is also Easter link. So if I thought to encircle, we're going to do like this. Let me just use a different color here. This one is called Easter linkage. That's it. So now the structure of a terylene is similar to that of fats. Okay, fats. Now, just that the fats are natural polymers, these are synthetic polymers, and they are man-made polymers to be specific. That's all about this video. So remember to subscribe, to like the video, and also you are also free to recommend the video. Okay, the question that is giving you problems, the question that is a challenge to you, recommend. We are here to help one another who solve it. Thank you so much.